So here we go, we've got the new jet washer. It's fantastic, just watch this. Inside we go, and look at that. That's some real serious action there. Marvellous, absolutely marvellous. How good is that? So we've got the wand on the end. I'm going to go inside because I've got some more inside that I can show you as to how they work. So we'll pop inside now.
Well, what have we here? We've got a magic wand, I think. It's absolutely awesome. What we've got is we've got a piece of hose with an attachment which will go onto any hose lock type fitting. We've got a 20mm adapter as well to go onto any type of tap. So you've got your hose lock type fitting on there, and as I say, you've got your attachment on it. We've also then got the facility that if you have different types of tap, you might need different types of connectors to attach. Now we're not into these, so you just have to look on eBay or somewhere for something that will do the job. What we've got is we've got reinforced tubing, and we've got a grip here which we hold with a lever device. When the water runs through from the tap, it comes through to the end, and there are lots of little holes here that squirt enormous pressured water into your container to clean it. So if you've got something like this and you're wanting to clean it, in she goes, and you just press it up and down and it will give it a really good clean. So you've got a small one, which is great for things like gallon jars and other things, and then you've got the large one, which is great for your buckets and your fermenters. But really, really great piece of equipment. I think it's actually a nice new bit of kit that we've got.